I'm just thinking of doing grilled fish with the French bread. So we will see how it is done, because when you say grilled, we always think of grilling in the oven or on the pan. So now here I am going to show you something different also, but in the pan that I am going to do it. So first thing, I want the French bread to be toasted. So we will toast the French bread, which I have just cut into long pieces, the French bread. We can either take French bread or it can be even sandwich bread. Now what I have done here, a little butter we will take, and a little mustard cream, which there is no quantity as such, but a little mustard cream. And then we need a little bit of salt, pepper, mix it nicely. Now I am using mustard cream. If you like, you can use garlic. Nicely crush the garlic or make it into a cream. 1 pipe garlic, just make it into a cream, and then you can use it instead of the mustard cream. Say, mix it nicely. Now slightly mix it, don't want too much, slightly spread it, should be just a little bit only. Say roughly for about 3 to 4 minutes we can toast this and take it. If you want, you can put it in the oven also. Heat the oven, keep for about 5 minutes and take, but I generally prefer this to be toasted. See, the color has to come both sides, but the other side I didn't put the mustard cream and butter, but it's nice now. Toast it. Of course, I will take this one by one and put it into the plate. Oh, lovely. Now what I am going to do is, the fish I have taken, 2 slices of fish I have taken here, and I am going to put a little turmeric, a bit of salt, mix it well on both sides. Both sides you put it and mix it nicely. Good. Oh, it's lovely. So now what I am going to do is put a little oil. We have the onions. Then I need the garlic on top. Then I am going to use a little, either you can use a little mint or mint leaves or whatever you like, or I am going to use a little rosemary also. We are not going to be like that. Slowly I am going to put my fish. See, the flavor comes from the onions, and we will roast it. Now what I am going to do is, the fish is ready, no problem. Now what I am going to do is, I'll just put the fish onto this, over the bread. It has to be like that, and I won't throw this. It's over fried, but we need that. It's really nice to have it on the side of it. We have the French bread toasted, fish is ready. Of course, now I am going to do the cream. I am going to use a small cream on top, that is like just to make it softer. And you know what I am going to use? Pineapple also. So we will see how we are going to make this. First thing, I will put 1 cup of fresh milk and 1 teaspoon corn flour, white pepper, and salt. Those only we need along with the pine. So we will see how it is done. First thing, I will put the pineapple. Always the pine should go in first. And let it get cooked. Just for a minute I am putting that. Then over that I will use a little salt. Oh, now I will use half of the milk and let it get cooked a little. Corn flour. I have got the corn flour into this. Add the corn flour with the balanced milk. Mix it nicely. Actually, I have to use a little pepper. White pepper only I am using. Allow it to get thicker. I thought I will use a little chili pieces. The French bread, fish and my cream over the fish. My dinner is ready, and of course you can just have like this itself. My dinner is ready. It's for 2 people, so that you can enjoy this type of preparation, and of course it looks really nice. Now what I am going to do is I am using a little bit of olive oil on top. Not too much. Never cook the olive oil, only just pour it over after you have done this. Now you can see this onion is over roasted. It has some slight bitterness and it's tasty also. You can really enjoy with that because the onions crispy and over roasted along with the fish. And I hope you will really like it and you will enjoy preparing these type of preparation. And I hope you will really enjoy. This is a meal. Thank you very much for watching.